Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. So in today's episode I'm going to talk about two subjects. First is going to be how to format your textual value, and second it's going to be how to use shell commands. So if you want to write some text, you are going to use these quotation marks, and everything that is in between quotation marks is going to be considered your text. So hey, hey, hey. If I run this code, I'm going to get these strings. So what this actually means, this escape character N means new line. That is because we have these two new lines. And whether you want to print your command just by providing text and executing your code, or if you want, for example, to use function print like this, you are going to get same result. But if you want your text to be parsed, so without these escape character ends, you are going to use another function, that is function message. If I run this code now, I'm going to get completely different result. But what if, for example, you want to use these quotation marks within your text? There is a way for you to do that. In order to write quotation marks within your string, you have to use escape character and quotation mark. Now you see that with my text editor I got different coloring here, so I'm going to write another hey within, and at the end I'm going to use another escape character and quotation mark. Now if I save this and run this code, I'm going to get this fourth hey in quotation marks. And there is one more way. You could use these apostrophes like this, and you see that we have a result exactly as we wanted. But what if you use these apostrophes to wrap your entire string? That means that you would have to use escape character if you want to use another pair of apostrophes in between. So run this code and you see that everything is just fine. So this is all about formatting your text, at least for now. We are going to say so much more about text in our upcoming episodes. And now I'm going to show you how to execute your shell commands. So what is basically your shell commands? It's a command directly to your operating system. So now I'm going to use function system, and in here I'm going to provide command that I want to be executed. So I want echo, and what this command is going to do, I'm going to write some text into a file in my local directory. I'm going to show you my local directory now. This is our script main.r, and what I want to do, I'm going to use escape character, another escape character with quotation marks, and I'm going to say hey, 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 and double arrow dot / text dot txt. Okay, if I execute this code, you see that everything went well. Now I'm going to open my local directory, and you see that in my local directory I have another document called text.txt, and if I open this document, I'm going to get text that we have printed inside. So guys, this is all about these two subjects. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see ya.